In an era where milliseconds can determine user satisfaction and revenue impact, the need for full visibility into your digital systems has never been more urgent. Modern organizations rely heavily on a complex web of cloud services, APIs, microservices, and user interfaces, and keeping all of them running smoothly requires more than reactive monitoring. That's where New Relic makes a difference. New Relic is an all in one observability platform that gives development, DevOps, and IT teams real time insight into the health and performance of their entire stack. From detailed application traces to cloud infrastructure metrics and simulated user interactions, New Relic connects all your telemetry, logs, metrics, events, and traces into a single unified view. In this video, we'll take you to New Relic's most essential features, explain how each supports your monitoring and incident response efforts, and show why it remains a market leader in observability and performance intelligence. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the application performance monitoring. New Relic's APM module provides deep diagnostics for your applications, with detailed breakdowns of transactions, service calls, database queries, and third-party APIs. You can identify high latency endpoints, error rates, throughput issues, and performance slowdowns right down to the line of code. This level of detail empowers engineers to fix performance bottlenecks quickly and efficiently, preventing customer issues and speeding up development cycles. It's particularly useful for teams deploying microservices or working in highly distributed environments. Another key feature is the infrastructure monitoring. With native support for on-prem, hybrid, and cloud environments, New Relic lets you monitor virtual machines, containers, Kubernetes clusters, and serverless functions in real time. You can see CPU, memory, disk usage, and network throughput, along with process level health. This unified infrastructure view helps IT teams maintain uptime, avoid over-provisioning, and diagnose root causes when performance degrades at the system level before it spreads to user-facing apps. Another key feature is the synthetics and browser monitoring. New Relic Synthetics enables you to simulate user interactions through scheduled synthetic tests across various regions. Browser monitoring complements this by capturing real user data, including page load times, front-end errors, and device/browser details. Together, these features give you a full understanding of both simulated and real-world user experiences. You can test critical workflows 24/7, catch slow loading pages, and reduce the time it takes to find and fix UX issues. Another key feature is the dashboards and custom visualizations. New Relic One includes highly customizable dashboards using NRQL, which allows teams to surface meaningful KPIs across all telemetry data. You can monitor everything from error counts to container health, user activity, or third-party API latency. Tailored dashboards ensure that everyone from engineers to executives can see the metrics most relevant to their role, helping foster transparency, alignment, and faster decision making across teams. And another key feature is the alerts, incidents, and anomaly detection. You can configure high granular alerts with baseline thresholds or dynamic anomaly detection. Integrations with tools like Slack, PagerDuty, and ServiceNow ensure alerts are delivered to the right people at the right time. New Relic AI also helps correlate related incidents and reduce alert noise. This proactive monitoring prevents alert fatigue and helps teams reduce mean time to detect and mean time to resolve. AI assisted correlation also helps you focus on real issues without wasting time on false positives or unrelated signals. So, why is New Relic a great choice? New Relic offers a true full stack observability solution, giving teams the ability to monitor applications, infrastructure, logs, network health, front end performance, and synthetic transactions all from one place. Unlike fragmented tools that focus on a single layer of your system, New Relic breaks down silos and provides an end to end understanding of how your software performs and why. Another strength is New Relic's commitment to extensibility. With hundreds of integrations from Kubernetes and AWS to Jenkins and Azure DevOps, you can plug New Relic into almost any toolchain or environment. Plus, the platform's open telemetry support ensures it works seamlessly with modern cloud native architectures. In short, New Relic is not just for catching bugs or outages. It's a continuous performance improvement engine that supports observability as a daily practice, not just a reactive one. So basically, in 2025, organizations need more than reactive alerts and surface level logs. They need proactive observability that ties user experience, system health, and business outcomes together. Whether you're deploying microservices in the cloud, managing complex legacy apps, or optimizing front end performance for global users, New Relic equips your team with the insights needed to take decisive action. So, if you're ready to streamline your monitoring, reduce incident response time, and unlock real time operational intelligence, New Relic is an investment worth making for 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.